Hello and welcome. Today we will be discussing the transfer pricing aspects of intangible assets, navigating valuations and compliance. My name is Rafaela Chapman and I'm a transfer pricing specialist and I lead the transfer pricing team at Crow UK. I collaborate with a lot of businesses that operate in regions around the world, and I have multiple years of experience in transfer pricing. And what I mainly do is I can help prepare transfer pricing documentation. I set transfer pricing policies, and I also discuss with various tax authorities in many jurisdictions. In today's session, we will explore the complexities of intangible assets, dive into international regulatory frameworks, and review practical insights on navigating the challenges of compliance and documentation. We will examine the role of intangibles, of course, in intercompany transactions, and look at how multinational companies can approach transfer pricing for these assets to remain compliant with local and international rules. Now, making a start with the importance of intangibles. Why are we talking about this today? So, intangible assets often rank among a company's most valuable resources, and for many multinational corporations, they serve as a key driver of long-term competitive advantage. So they're very important, but they are also a bit tricky to handle from many perspectives, and especially transfer pricing. As companies increasingly depend on intangible assets, such as intellectual property, goodwill, branding, understanding how to properly analyze and document these assets in transfer pricing arrangement is becoming more and more crucial in today's world. With the rise of the digital economy and the growing importance of technology and brand recognition, the way we manage intangible assets will only continue to gain significance. The OECD's Base Erosion and Profit Shifting, also known as BEPS, project identified 15 actions, 3 of which aim to ensure that transfer pricing outcomes are in line with value creation. The entities that create the most value for a group are entitled to a larger share of the profits, something that we look at every day as transfer pricing professionals. Action 8 focuses specifically on the treatment of intangibles, and Action 9 seeks to align the economic returns with the source of value creation rather than the provider of risk and capital. And the final guidance on these actions is incorporated into Chapter 6 of the OECD Transfer Pricing Guidelines. And as you can see on screen, we've got the different actions of the BEPS project, and with the main ones from a transfer pricing perspective there being 8 and 9, the intangible assets.